Hey, thanks for tuning into the channel Hot Off the Wheels. My name's Jesse, and in this video we're going to be going through some of these die casts, some of these main lines here. So if you want to figure out which one I'm going to show you, definitely stay tuned for this video. If you haven't already done so, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos, and let's get started. Alright, hope you're excited. I am. So first one, I wanted to show you, check out these two Mazda Miatas. The Mazda MX-5 Miata 2015. Two different color variations, same year. These were in the, looks like the F, or no, sorry, I believe that's the D case. But yeah, check out those color variations. I thought that was pretty sweet. I want to say I might even have like a different color variation other than these two, but yeah, these two are pretty sweet. I really like that. Honestly, I like both of them. I like how they've got the white interior on the blue one, and then just like how they've got the, you know, it's like they mix match the cars. It's kind of cool. So yeah, let me know your thoughts on these two castings, the Mazdas, or you like Mazdas. Let me know your thoughts on the color variations. Pretty nice. Next up, this is a little couple years back from 2017. Check out this Porsche 934.5. Really like this casting a lot. I want to say I have another one somewhere. Maybe eventually I'll open one, but I really like Porsches, and so that's just really awesome. Check out that massive wing on the back. Yeah, really nice casting there. You can kind of see the Porsche, I think, name on the side. There's some kind of a logo on the side. But yeah, I like this a lot. Really sweet. Let's see, next. Ooh, check out this exotics. It's a Jaguar F-Type Project 7. Really nice casting. I'm not exactly sure. I think it's a 2018, but I found this digging through a bin at Kroger a while back, so I thought that was really unique, really neat. I like how they have the stripes going across instead of, you know, the typical like racing stripes, you know, going down the center of the hood. That's going across. It's got the white dots on the side door and on the trunk. Really cool. But yeah, really nice Jaguar. Sporting the wing on the back as well, so pretty awesome. I may have already shown you this one, but I thought this was a really nice 70 Camaro. Got the nice stripes on the side. It's got the let's see if I can zoom in on it a little bit. We got really nice details there. Even the art on the card is pretty nice, depicting the you know, the details of the car down to a T. So really sweet. Speed Graphics Camaro. I'm gonna bring out my little spin wheel here, showcase this one. So I've got two of the 55 Chevy Bel Air gassers. So I'm gonna open up this one. Love this gasser. Big fan of gassers and Chevys, of course. Yeah, the Bel Air gasser is really nice. Look at the details there. Let's try to put this up a little bit higher so you can see a little bit more detail there. It's got the Holley graphics and a lot of the Goodyear on the front fenders, Holley on the doors, like carburetors. Got a little Chevy bow tie on the back, you know, the back quarter panel almost. On the body, there's a lot of really neat details. You got the Hot Wheels badging on the back end, well, the chrome front and grille there, the chrome engine exposed. But yeah, I just really, you know, we got the chrome back bumper. Looks like you got Holley on the back trunk as well. Yeah, let me know your thoughts on this one. I like it a lot. Oh, I do want to show you. I think I may have already shown you this one, but it's just really unique. I haven't seen. Oh, let's see. I got a couple more I've got to show you if I can find it. Not sure what I did with it. Let's see. Oh yeah, this one. This is out of the L case. Let's move that one along. Let's move that out. And check out this island hopper right here in the HW Metro. Old, I'm thinking, let's see if I can read that. Something, action, I don't know if that's like a news chopper or police chopper, but really sweet. But yeah, we got the island hopper. Really nice. Detailed in a helicopter. Pretty nice. I haven't seen too many of these in stores anywhere. So I saw that, I had to get it. And of course, dominoes here. Check out the old custom Ford Bronco. That is a treasure hunt. And this was in the K case. So pretty cool Ford Bronco treasure hunt in the K case. That's on the Hot Trucks series. So it's not the same without the flame logo right there. But really hope you enjoyed these cars. I could go through these all night long, but hopefully, you know, maybe another day we'll go through some of these other cars, like this one I found at a Target, older car. I guess they'd had some old stock or something like that. So just a lot of cool cars, and I got newer cars, older cars. So, you know, if you want to see more, leave me a comment, let me know. That way I know what kind of content you guys like to see. But I enjoy it all, so, you know, I like the old, the new. So I like them all. But really hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Like I said, if you're a first-time viewer, first-time watcher, definitely consider subscribing, hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Got a lot of content coming up, you know, relatively soon. I will let you know. I'll be, you know, missing in action for a couple of days. I'm gonna take some, you know, a little time off, you know, to just enjoy with the wife, go on vacation, whatever. But really hope you guys have a great 4th of July week. Stay safe, and until next time, take care, and best of luck on your peg hunting and diecast collecting. Thanks for watching.